Hi parents, are you seeking the right support to help your child with maths through primary and secondary school? Whether your child is just starting with basic arithmetic in year 2 or tackling more complex topics like algebra, trigonometry in secondary school, maths can often be quite challenging. Without the right guidance, your child can feel pretty stuck, frustrated, or lose interest in the subject altogether. School alone isn't enough to help your child master maths concepts. Classroom settings can make it quite difficult for teachers to offer the focused, tailored support your child requires to succeed in maths exams. My name is Adnan Khan, and my team and I have over 23 years of experience helping children develop their knowledge and confidence in specialist subjects like school maths. I've created a flexible online maths program designed to adapt to your child's level, from building a strong foundation in primary school to mastering advanced topics in secondary school. I have qualified expert tutors who provide personalized lessons to ensure your child's long-term success. We offer online maths tuition from years 2 to year 11, providing targeted support for students at every academic stage and preparing the students for final exams so they can achieve the best results. Are you ready to help your child master maths? In that case, click the button below to sign up now, and we'll offer you much more information for your peace of mind.